Hello viewers, I'm Az Ahmed. Today we will learn how to start English speaking. So it's too much simple. You have to start it by yourself. You have to set some parameters to start to speak out in English. So first of all, we all know that because if we are learning anything, so we are starting from basic. That's why start by learning basic vocabularies, common phrases. You should focus on basic as much as you can. First of all, you should focus on basics, basic grammar rules, basic pronunciation in English. Be confident. Yeah, this is too much important. If you will not confident enough to speak it out, then you will never ever speak English out. So be confident because confident is everything. If you can speak in front of crowd, don't be hesitate because hesitation is a resistance in your speaking. So don't be hesitate. Listen as much as you can to improve your pronunciation. Yeah, you should listen to the audio book on YouTube, listen to the native speakers, listen to the genuine channels who are teaching English on YouTube. We all have listened and we all are listening uh, to improve our English. So listening is also important to improve our English. Set specific goals for speaking practice session. Yeah, you should set some goals to speak out English. Involve yourself into the discussions in English. Uh, Go and join sessions to learn this language. Read out books, articles, novels, newspapers, magazine as much as you can on the daily basis. You should read out all of them 1 hour or 2 hour on the daily basis, or 10 to 20 minutes. If you have no time, then you should give 10 to 20 minutes on the daily basis. So this is a whole journey. Now you can't learn it overnight. So you have to give a time to learn this language. Find a conversation partner. Yeah, it's too much important. If you have no conversation partner, so we all have no conversation partners because they are hesitating to speak out English. So that's why be the partner with yourself. So or if you have family members who are cooperating with you to speak out English, then don't hesitate, speak out English with them. If you have no partners, just like me, I have no speaking partners, so that's why I'm talking to myself as much as I can. I'm practicing it on the daily basis. I'm making videos for YouTube, so I'm learning on the daily basis. So we all are learning because it's not our English is not our mother tongue, so it's our third, fourth, or maybe our second language. So because it is an international language and we have studied all our books in English, so that's why we are preferring to learn English. So we have studied a lot of books, we have watched many videos, we have watched movies, we have watched everything on YouTube in order to improve our English. So we will learn things daily by daily. Celebrate your progress. Do not afraid to make mistakes. Yeah, it's also important. We should celebrate our progress because we are learning on the daily basis. It's too much tough to learn things on the daily basis. If you are learning things on the daily basis, then I appreciate you from the core of my heart that you are struggling to learn something. Many people are not even start to struggling. So if you are struggling, then that is a great thing. Keep it up. I will encourage you all that if you are struggling, because nowadays people are focusing on memes, they are watching games and all of these silly things. Still, if you are focusing on learning, then that is a great thing. So keep it up, carry on. You will do something different one day. Everyone will become a successful at the appointed time. So if you are struggling and your appointed time is late, so be patient. Your appointed time will come and you will become a successful person. Be a successful person means you have to help other. You should have humanity to help the people, no matter what religion they are belong to. So you try to help out the people who are in difficult times. Be kind when people need your support them. When people need your motivation, motivate them. When people need something, so if you have something, give away to the people. So this is called a success. Success doesn't mean that if you have money, then you become a successful person. No, 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 no. Do not adopt this in your life. So help out people as much as you can. Be patient. Yeah, this is also important. Be patient. You will become a successful person one day. Your patience will reach you out on the top. Be patient, stay motivated, be consistent. One day you will learn this language on the next level. Thank you so much, viewers.